Ross omelette is something that you just can't miss if you're planning to visit Goa or if you are in Goa. Good morning guys, welcome or welcome back to our channel. I'm Gavin and I'm in Kalangut and I'm visiting this place called Cafe Anand because many locals here have informed me that they serve very good Ross omelette. Came outside to show you guys where exactly Cafe Anand is. Okay, so there in the corner you'll see a brown chapel, there's a circle there, and this road here is the Kalangut Arpora road, and I have taken this little lane here. Obviously I'll put the link in the description, but I just came out to show you guys these narrow lanes because I got lost here for a moment and there was a gentleman there whom I asked where Cafe Anand is. So he's informed me I have to go straight and take a right. It can be slightly confusing as well because there's an Anand right here. So this Anand is the pure veg Anand, and just next to this you'll see this Kalangut Tinto sign, and just next to that here is Cafe Anand. I'm sorry guys, finally I found Cafe Anand. I was given the wrong direction. Anyway, once again let me just show you where I am. So this is the circle that I was talking about, and I'm directly opposite to the circle. So they are listed on Google Maps, and yeah, you'll find it a bit tricky to locate them, but that's where they are. It's around 4:45 and because I've got here early, there aren't a lot of people. Look at that. So in case if you get here a little later, it's going to be crowded, and these guys seem to be a little busy already. So I already know what I have to eat. I have placed an order for Ross omelette for chicken shakuti, and it's been a while since I had chana masala. I like chana masala as well, so I've ordered one of that as well with some naram pav and poi. Usually I wait for all the food to get on the table, but I don't want to wait longer because then this won't taste nice, and this especially, if it is crispy, you know, it will lose its crispiness. So first of all let me bite the mirchi. Nice, still crispy. Chili is a bit spicy inside. I shouldn't have taken this as the first bite, but okay. And here comes the Ross omelette as well. So pretty quick service. I just ordered like a minute ago, and I already got everything on the table. So let's get a bit of the naram pav. Today I was in the mood to have some naram pav. In fact, I've been in the mood to have naram pav since a long time. But yes, we have the classic here as well. We have the poi. So let's dip this in the wow. You know, when you get your recommendation from the local, in most of the cases you will enjoy the food. And a shout out to Gilbert, the owner of Baze Goa. You had told me about this place a long time back. Impressed with the first bite. Again guys, as you know, when I like something, second bite is on the way. And in all the excitement, I forgot to add in the onions and squeeze some lime. So this is mandatory guys. If you love, you know, onions and lime on your food, I do, but some reason the lime doesn't have a lot of juice in it. Okay, but we got a little bit, and that's more than enough. Now mix this up really well, and this bite is going to be perfect. Okay, now let's go for the poi, and let's have the Ross omelette. So poi and pav, you know, it's not warm, and anyway I don't know if they serve it warm, but yeah, I would prefer it warm. I should have told them earlier, but look at the size of the omelette in the Ross omelette. So those of you who are new to our channel, this one here is the chicken shakuti gravy. I ordered chicken shakuti as well because I read on the reviews that you won't see any chicken pieces in the Ross omelette, which is fair enough. I think the price is 80 rupees and I don't blame them. Wow. Amazing. Perfect Ross omelette. It's just perfect. The masalas, all the lovely shakuti masalas. Let me show you. Wow. So like I said, you know, all the masalas, the gravy, everything is just perfect. The omelette is fluffy in there as well. You can taste all the sorry guys, I have to pause for a moment to take in those flavors. Fantastic. I cannot believe it, staying so close by. I never came here to have the raw omelette, and all this you need to chase it with the mirchi. Adrian, you are really missing the breakfast. Wow, amazing. Okay, so like I said, the flavors from the coconut and all the spices that go into the shakuti gravy, they're just amazing. And once again, the mirchi, guys, shout out to the mirchi. It is spicy, but it is amazing. Very, very nice, crispy. I forgot to put my mic on, so you cannot hear the crispiness, but it is crispy. So that's a perfect breakfast. And guess what? We still have the chicken shakuti remaining. Alright, so we have the chicken shakuti. Alright, so he was actually waiting. He thought that how can I eat so much at one time, but I was like, I need to do it for the video. So finally we have the chicken shakuti, and the pieces in here are very good, very impressive. Let's take a bite and see if they are soft and if there are bones in it. I'm sure there will be bones, but the shakuti gravy looks perfect. So this is the same gravy that is used in the raw omelette. Okay, we got a bite. I mean, we have to take a bite now. Very nice. Didn't go as planned. I got the neck piece, but yes, let me just go for another bite. This looks great. This is full of meat. Again, just perfect. The chicken is a bit slightly chewy. It depends upon what chicken they use. So if they use the flesh chicken, it is going to be a slightly chewy bite. But the flavors, guys, are simply superb. And if you look behind me, people, they just keep coming and going. The breakfast here is perfect. And again, need to chase this with the mirchi. Every time I see the mirchi, I need to chase all of this with the mirchi. Now back to my food, because there's a lot of onion and lime. I need to put all of this on the food and have it. But guys, very impressed. I came here hungry, but I must say that I'm going to leave happy. This is the proof of how much I loved everything. I've finished almost everything, and just to get back to the chicken, I don't want to show you that side. Some pieces were a bit tough, others were fine, perfect. Now I completely forgot I need to have my chai. I see someone taking chai, so I'm going to have the chai and let you know what it tastes like. Very nice tea. Only thing is, it's a bit sweet, but yeah, I find tea sweet almost everywhere. I do not like it very sweet, but that's fine. It's quite good. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. Until next one, take care, stay safe and stay positive.